now, and they have a lot of these books that we have over at Shacklet. The See Me Run, See Me Dig, I See a Cat, the one about I Like Cars. I know we read before. I Like My Car, I Can Run. All of those ones I know we have at school. So I was excited to see they have a bunch more that we do not even have at school, but we can read them on Epic. Okay, so this one that I'm going to read to you now is called Boy, Bird, and Dog. Boy, Bird, and Dog by David McPhail. Boy saw bird. Bird was up. Boy went up. Hello, boy, said bird. Hello, bird, said boy. They saw and saw. Dog saw bird and boy. I want to go up, said dog, but I can't. Boy went down. He got a rope. He got a pot. Dog went in the pot. Boy went up. He pulled the rope. Dog was up. Hello, dog, said bird. Hello, bird, said dog. Boy, bird, and dog liked to be up. They saw and saw. They saw Mom. She went to the tree. Mom had cookies. She held them up. But boy did not go down. He sent the pot. Mom put the cookies in the pot. Boy pulled up the pot. Boy, bird, and dog had cookies. Yum. They were good. Boy, bird, and dog were happy. Okay, now when I get to the end of the book, it's going to show me the pictures of all the other books that this company made that I like to read books. So you could find another one. If you like this one, then you could find another one from their series. Follow the link for the match game on Quizlet. This is what you're going to see. And you're going to try and match the picture with the word. So this is a pot. So I'm looking for the word pot. And I'm going to click on it and hold the clicker down and put them together. Okay? This is a rope. So I'm going to see, is this to have R for rope? No, no, no. Let's check this one. Rope, rope, yes, yes. I'm going to put it over here. Okay, what do we think about this one? He's saying they. Is they here or is they here? Yes, you should have it here on this one with a TH, they. Okay. This guy is pulling, so we're going to put him with pulled, pulled. And he's sitting down. So I'm going to get down. And our last one is a tree. Okay, so all of these words are from the Boy, Bird, and Dog book. Okay, so when you open up the Google Slides file, Boy, Bird, and Dog, first you're gonna stay in this view. I do not want you to click the present or go to view. I want you to stay in this view, okay? And you're gonna look for the little audio button. It's gonna tell you the word, and then you're gonna click the word that you hear, okay? After you've done that one, then you go down here. See, this one is yellow because that's the one that's showing. I can arrow down or click down, and it's gonna say something else. Okay, when I get to the third one, it's going to take me to a link to a game where it's going to have the words from the book. So I'm just going to click on the link. And then the next slide that I'll see is a matching. So you're going to finish the sentence using, you can click on these purple words and move them over here to make the sentences make sense. And the last little slide is going to take you to a big word from the book. You can click on the audio to hear what the word should be. And then I want you to try and click on the letters and move them up here inside the black boxes to spell the word. And if you're not sure, remember you can always go back and look at the book again.